Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, and here at Crate Insider that means it's Top 5 Tuesday. But it also happens to be November 19th, and I have just learned that today is hashtag International Men's Day. So happy International Men's Day to all of the men in our audience, which is probably most of you. So this week though on the show, I do have some products I wanted to really highlight some of the tools. Now as we're kind of moving into our pseudo off season, if we even have one of those, if you happen to be building a car or any of that, plus I have a couple of new items to bring. So let's go ahead and take a look. I'm really excited about a new product that I'm bringing you, and I saw this on display, and this is our MD3 Air Filter Shield. So you can see I've got my whole little air filter sandwich here where I've got my carburetor, flat air filter base, our 4-inch Walker filter, our flat air filter top, as well as a air cleaner stud. And now let's say we're at the track and we got a few raindrops, we can just set this over the top of our air filter and it will just keep it shielded. It's an air filter shield. It does exactly what it says it's going to do. So an air filter shield, that is a new product here at Crate Insider. Really excited to bring it to you. And clearly it fits even our big Walker. These are our 14-inch filters, but you know, they end up a lot wider because of the urethane and the size of the filter. So they work for all of those. You can find them on our online store. I have a new product we've added here at Crate Insider, and it is from our friends at 5 Star Bodies, our MD3 Rear Spoiler Kit. So that comes with the plastic spoiler piece. This is for the right side, and it also comes with this pair of end plates. Currently we have this in black, but if you would like to, you can also reach out to us for any other colors that MD3 has, and we will put them on our shelves. So that is a new product, a great way to get a little bit extra performance out of your spoiler, and we have it here at Crate Insider. A product we've had around here for a while has been our all-in-one tire groover, but I did here recently get a request from a customer to have rebuild parts available for these, and especially now that we've gone into the off-season, now's a really perfect time to go through your tools, you know, in addition to your race car, but for your tools as well. And so now you can pick up all of these items at Crate Insider, whatever you need. So whether you need a whole head assembly or a head rebuild kit or all of these other little pieces and parts, we now have all of the different parts that go with the all-in-one tire groover. So you can find those in the tools and accessories portion of our website. One thing we know about racing is that as soon as the season is over, it is on to the next season and getting everything ready. So if you happen to be in that time where you are building a car, a really good tool to have around your shop is a Plum Bob Kit. And this is a complete kit. What I'm showing you today is our complete kit that we get from Hammond Motorsports. Dave Hammond there is great at putting together, you know, some amazing pieces, and especially into these kits. So as you can see here, we've got, oh my goodness, we have some string and we have a tap, we have half-inch bolt adapters, we have Plum Bobs here, and they are quality. I'm just telling you that they are really nice quality. We also have a grease zerk, some ball joint adapters, and more half bolt adapters here. So really cool kit, especially any kind of building. You want to make sure everything's all lined up and straight. Plum Bob Kit is available here on our shelves at Crate Insider. Another great product we have around here, especially if you're going to be taking some stuff apart on your race car, is from our friends at PopBit. And you know, one of the challenges when you are trying to remove rivets and you get out your drill bit and you're trying to drill them out, this is what you can end up with here, is you can end up with, oh, let me see if it'll focus there. There we go. You can end up with this situation where these rivets are not going anywhere, and then you find yourself standing over the top of a trash can and you are with a set of pliers trying to get those off. The neat thing about the PopBit, I'm gonna also show you here, there we go, that the top of this is a little bit bigger, which means that it drills through that, and instead of getting stuck on your drill bit, it'll just float around like this. So all you need to do then is just take the drill bit off of your drill and then just stand up top of a trash can and it'll just drop right in there. So the PopBit is a really great, oh goodness, a really great easy tool to have in your shop and to be able to drill out those rivets, and this is of course the time of year to do that. So there you have it. Those are 5 products to highlight this week. I hope you really enjoy your day today at International Men's Day. And if there are any questions about any of the products you've seen today, feel free to drop them in the comments wherever you're seeing this video. And also, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button, share this video with a friend. Every bit of that helps. So thank you so much for watching, and visit us online over at CrateInsider.com.